name is Keisha Thompson from New York City, and I'm the founder of FIVERR Cakery. FIVERR Cakery is a 5-star artisan cake catering company where we create tantalizing joy and connections through our sugar artistry. FIVERR found me. I didn't find FIVERR. My parents are Jamaican, my grandparents on my mom's side, they're Cuban. And I thought to myself, how can I stand out from other cake decorators in the industry? And I thought, why not tap into my Caribbean background and infuse the products with spices and flavors from the Caribbean. I started baking cakes at home. I started posting cakes online and people started reaching out to me to place orders. Social media has been a huge blessing, a huge impact for FIVERR Cakery. Due to the way that I branded FIVERR Cakery, a lot of opportunities came my way. I met my social media manager through FIVERR. When I won the FIVERR grant, it came with cash, but it also came with FIVERR credits, which was really pivotal, really helpful, because that helped give my social media platform a boost with the consistency. What inspires me to keep FIVERR Cakery going is to prove that I have the skills and the ability and the experience and the knowledge to run a business. What I know is what I've learned either through reading books or from having a mentor. I think it's pivotal to have someone that is more knowledgeable than you, that has more experience than you, so that if something comes up or you're stuck, you can tap into them. What Black businesses could benefit from? More funding, more financing, more mentorship programs that will further support our businesses, because when you support our businesses, you're supporting the community and the growth of that community.